So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Facebook Marketplace location filter not working, region GPS and cache fix. So fix 1 is check device location permission. For Android, open phone setting, tap on apps, select Facebook, go to permission, choose location, select allow only while using the app. For iOS, open your phone setting, navigate to privacy and security, select location service, locate and tap on Facebook. Change the setting to while using the app. Fix 2 is manually reset location and radius. Open Facebook and navigate to Marketplace. Tap the location filter at the top of the screen. Drag the pin on the map or manually enter your city name. Adjust the radius slider to the border range. Tap apply to confirm the changes. Fix 3 is clear app cache or reinstall. For Android, navigate to setting on your device. Select app from the menu. Find and tap on Facebook. Go to storage option. Choose clear cache to free up storage space. For iOS, offload or uninstall the Facebook app from the device. Reinstall the app through the App Store. This process will completely wipe the corrupt cache associated with the app. For desktop or browser, open Facebook in a private or incognito window for enhanced privacy. Alternatively, clear your browser cookies and cache to reset your session. Fourth fix is reset all filter. Access the Marketplace search bar, enter a broad search term, locate the filter or sort button, select clear all or reset to remove any applied criteria. Fifth fix is disable VPN. Turn off any active VPN or proxy app on your device. Completely close the Facebook app, disable the VPN, reopen the Facebook app. Sixth fix is verify account status and data tracking. Navigate to Facebook menu and select settings and privacy. Click on setting and scroll to information used for Facebook experiences. Next to Marketplace, tap update to allow data usage for localized listening. Check account status in setting to confirm no active Marketplace restrictions or ban. Thanks for watching.